Believe your Nissan diesel will last forever? I've seen perfectly maintained Navaras and Patrols suffer engine, turbo, and fuel system damage under 100,000 miles, all because of everyday driving habits most owners don't even realize are harmful. Cold starts and driving off immediately. One of the most damaging habits for Nissan diesel engines is cold starting and driving off immediately. This is especially common with Navaras, Patrols, and other Nissan diesels during colder weather. Many owners start the engine and pull away right away, assuming modern diesel engines are designed to handle it without consequences. The reality is diesel oil becomes extremely thick when cold, almost syrup-like, and takes time to reach critical components such as turbo bearings, camshafts, lifters, and high-pressure injectors. Driving aggressively during this period forces components to spin at thousands of RPM with minimal lubrication, accelerating wear across the engine. Repeated cold acceleration leads to premature turbo bearing wear, injector scuffing, and camshaft damage that often goes unnoticed until failure occurs. Turbocharger replacements for Nissan diesels typically cost $1,800 to $3,000. Injector repairs can exceed $3,000, and camshaft damage can push engine repair bills well beyond $6,000. All of this damage is entirely preventable. The correct practice is to start the engine, allow it to idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently until oil and coolant reach normal operating temperature. This improves oil circulation, reduces metal-on-metal contact, minimizes cold start wear, protects bearings, and prevents long-term engine damage, saving thousands in avoidable repairs. 2. Excessive idling. Excessive idling is a silent killer for Nissan diesel engines. Many trucks are left running for long periods at job sites, drive-thrus, traffic stops, or while waiting for deliveries. While this habit feels harmless, idling is extremely damaging to modern diesel engines. When a diesel engine idles, combustion temperatures remain too low to burn fuel efficiently. This incomplete combustion produces excessive soot, which clogs the DPF, coats the EGR valve, sticks turbo vanes, and builds up on piston rings. At the same time, unburned fuel can wash down cylinder walls and mix with engine oil, causing fuel dilution. Fuel-contaminated oil loses its lubricating ability, accelerating wear on bearings, camshafts, and turbo components. Excessive idling is a leading cause of DPF failures, costing $1,000 to $2,500. Turbo cleaning or replacement, ranging from $1,800 to $3,500, and shortened oil life, requiring oil changes every 3,000 to 4,000 miles instead of normal intervals. The correct practice is to shut the engine off if idling exceeds 60 to 90 seconds. If accessories must be powered, use a high idle mode. A Nissan diesel is not a generator. It is a precision engine designed for efficient combustion and proper lubrication. Reducing unnecessary idling minimizes soot buildup, preserves oil quality, improves fuel efficiency, and prevents costly damage that often remains hidden until major repairs are required. 3. Frequent short trips. Short trips are deceptively damaging for Nissan diesel engines. Vehicles used mainly for 2 to 5 minute drives around town often suffer serious issues at surprisingly low mileage. Diesel engines rely on sustained heat to burn soot efficiently and complete DPF regeneration. Short trips prevent the engine, turbocharger, and exhaust system from reaching proper operating temperature. When oil and turbo components remain cold, lubrication is poor and internal friction increases. Incomplete combustion during short drives produces excessive soot, which accumulates in the DPF, EGR system, intake manifold, and turbo vanes. At the same time, regeneration attempts inject extra fuel that is never fully burned, leading to fuel dilution and sludge formation in the oil. Over time, this causes rough idling, reduced fuel economy, injector wear, and accelerated bearing and turbo damage. The financial impact adds up quickly. DPF replacement can cost $1,200 to $3,000. Turbo repairs often exceed $2,000, and injector replacements can reach $3,500 or more. If most drives are under 5 minutes, take a 25 to 30 minute highway drive at least once per week. Maintain RPM around 1,800 to 2,200. Allow the engine to reach full operating temperature and complete active DPF regenerations. This simple routine keeps soot under control, protects the turbo and injectors, maintains a clean EGR system, and prevents failures that quietly lead to expensive repairs. 4. Lugging the engine under load. Lugging the engine is one of the most overlooked killers of Nissan diesel engines. Many drivers believe keeping RPMs low while towing, climbing hills, or hauling heavy loads is gentle on the engine. In reality, this habit is extremely damaging. Operating at low RPM under high load reduces oil pressure, increases turbo strain, and causes sharp spikes in cylinder pressure. This places excessive stress on rod journals, main bearings, pistons, and even the head gasket. When a diesel is lugged, the turbo is forced to work harder at inefficient speeds. Combustion becomes uneven, and internal temperatures rise where cooling and lubrication are weakest. Over time, this leads to accelerated bearing wear, stretched head bolts, turbo bearing damage, and eventual gasket failure. Engines that are repeatedly lugged often show major issues well before their expected service life. The repair costs add up quickly. Head gasket repairs can exceed $2,500 to $4,000. Turbo replacements commonly cost $1,800 to $3,000, and bottom-end bearing damage can lead to full engine rebuilds exceeding $7,000. Tow within the recommended torque band, typically 1,800 to 2,500 RPM, downshift before steep hills, and avoid heavy throttle at low revs. Allowing the engine to operate in its designed power range improves lubrication, stabilizes combustion pressures, protects the turbo, and dramatically extends engine life and reliability. 5. Shutting down immediately after hard driving. One of the fastest ways to destroy a Nissan diesel turbocharger is shutting the engine off immediately after heavy use. After towing a trailer, climbing steep grades, or driving long highway stretches, the turbocharger is spinning at extremely high speeds and operating under intense heat, often exceeding 700 degrees Celsius on the turbine side. If the engine is shut down instantly, oil circulation stops while the turbo remains extremely hot. The oil trapped inside the turbo housing then overheats and carbonizes, forming hard deposits that score the bearings, damage the shaft, and restrict oil passages. This process, known as oil coking, gradually destroys turbo bearings and seals. Vehicles that repeatedly skip proper cool-down periods often develop excessive shaft play, oil leaks, loss of boost, and eventual turbo failure well before expected mileage. In many cases, turbos show severe wear under 80,000 miles purely due to repeated hot shutdowns. The financial impact is significant as turbocharger replacement typically costs $1,800 to $3,000. While turbo bearing failure can also contaminate the intake and exhaust system, adding hundreds more in labor and cleaning. In contrast, allowing a short idle cooldown costs nothing. The correct practice is that after any hard driving, heavy load, or towing session, allow the engine to idle for 2 to 4 minutes, or until exhaust gas temperatures drop below 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This keeps oil circulating through the turbo, stabilizes temperatures, prevents carbon buildup on bearings, reduces heat stress on internal components, and can double the service life of the turbocharger, avoiding thousands in premature repair costs. If this is helping you protect your Nissan diesel, hit that like button and subscribe. There's more coming. In the following tips, I'll show you how neglecting something as simple as your cooling system can quietly wreck your engine, so you can prevent costly damage. 6. Ignoring fuel quality and filtration. Fuel quality is often underestimated, yet it is absolutely critical to the long-term health of Nissan diesel engines. Contaminated diesel or neglected fuel filters can quickly damage high-pressure injectors and fuel pumps, reduce combustion efficiency, and cause rough running, along with excessive soot buildup. Poor filtration allows microscopic debris to pass through the fuel system, while degraded fuel accelerates internal wear on injector nozzles and pump components. Water contamination is an even more serious threat. Moisture in diesel fuel corrodes pump internals, disrupts injector spray patterns, causes misfires, and can permanently destroy injectors if left unchecked. Engines affected by water intrusion often develop hard starting, loss of power, increased smoke, and rapid fuel system deterioration. In many cases, injector failure occurs as early as 60,000 miles, simply due to skipped fuel filter replacements. The financial difference is substantial. Replacing a fuel filter typically costs $40 to $80, while a full set of diesel injectors can cost $2,000 to $4,000, and a high-pressure fuel pump failure can exceed $5,000 once labor is included. The correct practice is to always use high-quality diesel, replace fuel filters strictly according to Nissan's service schedule, and install a water separator in regions where fuel quality is inconsistent. Occasional use of a reputable diesel fuel additive can also help prevent injector deposits and maintain proper spray patterns. Treating the fuel system with the same importance as oil changes dramatically extends injector and pump life, prevents catastrophic failures, and saves thousands in avoidable repair costs. 7. Neglecting cooling system. Maintenance. Overheating can destroy a diesel engine faster than almost anything else, and Nissan diesel engines are no exception. Low coolant levels, faulty thermostats, blocked radiators, or collapsed hoses can quickly cause warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, cracked components, and even turbocharger damage. Many Patrols and Navaras develop severe engine damage solely due to neglected cooling system maintenance, failures that are almost always preventable. Even brief overheating events place extreme stress on pistons, piston rings, bearings, and cylinder heads, accelerating internal wear long before symptoms become obvious. The cost difference is significant, as a coolant flush typically costs $100 to $200, while replacing a thermostat or hose is often under $150, compared to thousands in engine damage caused by overheating. In contrast, head gasket repairs commonly exceed $2,500 to $4,000. Warped cylinder heads can cost $5,000 or more, and overheating-related turbo damage can add another $2,000 to $3,000 in repairs. The correct practice is to check coolant levels regularly, flush and replace coolant strictly according to Nissan's service schedule, and inspect hoses, radiators, and thermostats for leaks, blockages, or deterioration. Warning lights and fluctuating temperature gauges should never be ignored, because once temperatures spike, internal damage can occur within minutes. Proper cooling system maintenance protects the engine block, preserves turbocharger life, maintains stable operating temperatures, and prevents catastrophic failures. A few minutes spent on routine cooling checks can save thousands in avoidable engine repairs down the road. 8. Dirty air filters and restricted airflow. Diesel engines rely on clean air for efficient combustion, and Nissan diesels are no exception. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow, causing incomplete combustion, increased soot production, higher exhaust gas temperatures, EGTs, and additional strain on the turbocharger. Trucks driven in dusty environments, off-road conditions, or heavy city dust are particularly vulnerable, as restricted airflow forces the turbo to work harder, accelerating wear and increasing the risk of failure. The financial impact of neglecting air filters can be substantial, with turbo replacements ranging from $1,800 to $3,500, and full intake or EGR system cleanings costing $500 to $1,200. Over time, ignoring the air filter can also reduce fuel efficiency and increase maintenance costs on the fuel and exhaust systems. The correct practice is to inspect and replace the air filter on schedule or sooner if operating in harsh conditions. Maintaining a clean air supply improves fuel efficiency, reduces soot buildup, lowers EGTs, and protects both the turbocharger and fuel injection system. Regular air filter maintenance is a small effort that prevents hidden engine damage and costly repairs over time. 9. Aggressive driving and full throttle boost. Modern Nissan diesel engines produce massive torque, which makes aggressive throttle input tempting. However, hard acceleration, especially on a cold engine, quietly destroys critical components such as the turbocharger, injectors, and high-pressure fuel system. Applying full throttle before oil and coolant reach operating temperature causes incomplete combustion, forcing heavy soot into the turbo intake system, EGR, and exhaust. Rapid throttle on-off cycles under load and sustained high RPM driving significantly raise exhaust gas temperatures. Elevated EGTs can stick variable turbo vanes, overheat pistons, stress connecting rods, and accelerate wear on crankshaft and rod bearings. Over time, this driving style shortens engine life dramatically. The financial consequences are severe, with turbocharger replacement typically costing $2,000 to $3,500, injector replacement exceeding $3,000 to $5,000, and internal engine damage from heat stress resulting in repair bills well over $8,000. Avoid full throttle until oil and coolant reach operating temperature. Apply power progressively and maintain smooth, steady throttle input under load. This driving style protects the turbo, extends injector life, reduces soot buildup, lowers EGTs, and prevents premature wear, allowing Nissan diesel engines to operate reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles. 10. Skipping regular oil changes and injector maintenance. The #1 killer of Nissan diesel engines is neglecting oil and injector maintenance. Dirty oil, extended oil change intervals, and ignored injectors allow soot, fuel dilution, and microscopic metal particles to circulate through the engine. Over time, this contamination starves critical components, such as turbo bearings, rod journals, camshafts, and lifters, of proper lubrication, accelerating internal wear. Diesel engines place extreme stress on their oil, especially during heavy towing, high-load driving, short trips, and hot operating conditions. Oil breaks down faster than many owners realize, losing its ability to protect moving parts. When injectors are neglected, poor spray patterns and overfueling further increase soot production and fuel contamination in the oil, compounding the damage. The financial impact of neglect is significant. Injector replacement can cost $3,000 to $5,000. Turbocharger failure often exceeds $2,500 to $4,000. And internal engine repairs involving camshaft or bearing damage can easily surpass $8,000 to $12,000. In contrast, routine oil changes and injector servicing cost a fraction of that. The correct practice is to follow Nissan's recommended oil change intervals, use the exact manufacturer-specified oil, and service injectors on schedule. Clean oil and properly functioning injectors protect nearly every moving component in the engine. Consistently following this single habit can dramatically extend engine life and prevent thousands in avoidable repair costs over the long term. If you want your Nissan diesel to last hundreds of thousands of miles, these habits matter. Apply them consistently, and your engine will reward you long term. Hit like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. More Nissan-specific tips are coming that can save you thousands. I'll see you in the next one.